Hey there! If you're enjoying my content, consider subscribing. You can always change your mind later. Now let's get into it.
Dude! Really? Yeah.
Oh.
We definitely should have went the other way.
Yeah.
Next sold majority stakes.
Bloomberg's Lucas Shaw says one reason for the boom in music deals is Joe Biden, who has talked about raising the tax on capital gains, which would mean that the money generated from selling your music catalogs would be taxed at a higher rate in the future. Streaming services have made music rights more profitable. And
a story after traffic weather on the twos. To the highways we go. Kyrie Moses, what's that problem on the Pennsylvania Turnpike all about?
Yeah, David, looks like maybe some good news now. So the westbound side jammed approaching Fort Washington. It was an accident. It looks like within the past 2 or 3 minutes, they may have pushed this off to the side. The delay starting to break up just a little bit. So definitely some improvement there on the westbound side. If you're traveling east on the Pennsylvania Turnpike, things are looking good. Schuylkill Expressway westbound, you've got slow traffic. Now to just past the just a bit slow heading towards the contract.
Now bother somebody on that lane.
In Delaware, 95 southbound still at an absolute crawl. It's been that way all day from 202 down to the approach of the 495 merge. Only that left lane is getting by with construction. And in New Jersey, you still have the Route 73 ramp to the northbound side of the Jersey Turnpike closed because of a earlier overturned tractor trailer. And all lanes have been reopened on the Burlington-Bristol Bridge after an opening.
Okay, Presto. So angry.
Exit 27, State Route 570, Parkway, Mall, Lakeland, Barrio.
Okay, Presto.